Hi everyone, welcome back once again in my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I am going to discuss one most important interview question which is generally asked in product based company guys. So that is the most important interview question. Okay, so guys, please be concentrate for entire video guys. So it will helpful for your understanding and how we need to solve this problem, so you can understand if you will watch carefully entire video guys. This is most important guys. Okay, so guys, first I will tell you what is the question. Okay, so guys, this question I will show in our this place guy. So guys, this is lead code question guy. This is lead code question. I have collected with some my colleague. So already he has given interview in some product based company guy. So the question guy, find numbers with even number of digit. Yeah, you can see here. What is the question guy? Find numbers with even numbers of digit guy. So guy, what is the question first? You need to understand. So guys, you have given one integer array guy. In that, the elements are there guy. Suppose 12, 345, 2, 6 and 7, 8, 9, 6. So guys, you need to what? Select whatever the numbers given in this array, which what is an even number guy. Suppose 1, 2 is guy 2 digit, right? That is even guy. 3, 4, 5 is 3 digit. That's why it is not a even number. 2 is a 1 digit, it's also not even. 6 is also 1 digit, not even guy. But you can see this is last digit guy. 7, 8, 9, 6. This is guy 4 digit, right? That's why it is even. So you can see guy the output will be 2. It depends upon your input of array. In that array, if number is given and this number count is even, then you need to print how many number are available inside the respective array and their digit belongs to even guy. Okay, I hope you understood. So we need to write such logic, so by which we can what? Print our expected result guy. So guys, same thing I will write first in our IDE, then same code I will what? Write inside our this what? Board. Okay, this is our editor guy. Then I will run the both places. First I will run this code in our IDE. We'll see what is coming. Then same code will copy paste in this guy what? Our editor. Then we'll compare guy and we'll submit this code guy, right? So our main what guy agenda of this video is how we're going to find the numbers with even number of digit in our respective input array. I hope guy you understood. So guys, without any further delay, we will move in our IDE. Correct guy? Yes. So guys, see, before jump in our coding guy, first I will explain what should be the guy process to find this solution. Correct guy? So let's see. So let's see first what I can do guy. So guy, what is our question guy? Problem statement guy. Problem statement, right? Okay, what is our problem statement guy? So we need to find the number which is even digit in our array guy, correct? Yes. I will not write the problem statement, already I have shown you this thing, but I will tell you. So what guy? Find number of numbers, right? Find numbers of numbers that even number of digit. Even number of digit guy, yes or no? Okay, that is our question or problem statement. Find number of numbers that even number of digit. Correct guys? So guys, see, just like I have shown already, right? Suppose if you have int array given, right? Suppose 18 comma 45 456 comma 65 then comma 1 2 3 4. Correct guys? Suppose this is your array. So guys, this is writing for understanding purpose guys. So one by one I will explain first our statement and what should be the corresponding solution. Correct guys? So guys, see, in this case guys, you can see here 18 is our 2 digit and 65 is 2 digit and 1 2 3 4 this is our 4 digit. Means this 3 number guys, 18 65 and 1 2 3 4 our what even digit are guys 3. So answer will be 3. Yes or no? Answer will be 3 because we have 3 number which is even inside our array. Correct guys? So what should solution guys? So guys, see, we can iterate over every number guys. What we can do guys? We can iterate over every number and check guys this number contains even number of digit. If yes guys, we can update, we can increase the answer by 1 guys. Yes or no? What I have told guys, once again listen carefully guys. So we can iterate over every number guys. So 18 4 5 6 65 1 2 3 4 this is number guys. So we can take one for loop, iterate over every number guys and check this number contains even number of digit. If yes guys, then we can what increase, we can count plus right? Means we can increase by 1. So guys, see how we'll check the even number or not. Then second question will be right, if you are going to count the even number, so how we can check this is even or not. Okay, second is how we can check the number is even or not, even or not guy. Correct? How we can check number even or not guy? So guy, first guy what we can do, first count the digit, right? So how we are going to count the digit guy? So guys, simply we know very well, right? So guys, we can take one while loop, we can check what number is greater than 0 guys. See, if number is greater than 0 guys, what I can do guys, we can count plus right? Count plus. So what we count plus guys? So we'll give one condition like that. Suppose num equals to what? Num divided by 10. Correct guys? Yes or no? Guys, yes or no? So guys, this thing will iterate guys. How you can check? Suppose this is 18 guys, right? So 18 is greater than 0 or not? Then guys, what we can do? Num by 10, 18 by 10, 1. Correct guys? Then we have guys 8, right? Then 8 is greater than 0 or not? Yes. Then 8 by 10, 8. So we can see 2 numbers are there, right? So that if number we got 2, that is even number. If we get this is 456 get. So first initially this is 456 greater than 0, yes or no? So guys, 456 by 10. So guys, 45. Yes or no? Then guys, 45 divided by 10. Then guys, 4. 4 divided by 10, 4. That means we can understand this is 3 digit. 3 digit is not a even number. Same guy will do for every. Just guys, give me one example. 1 2 3 4 guys. See, just keep in mind here. Suppose 1 2 3 4, correct? 1 2 3 4. So first guy, if I will divide 1 2 3 4 by 10, so guy first will come 1 2 3, correct? If I will divide guy, you can see. If I will divide by 10, so what we can get guy? You can see. So it will come guy 123. Initially suppose count is 0 guy. Suppose initially count equal to 0, correct? Suppose initially count equal to guy 0, correct? Okay, understand? Initially count is 0, right? So guys 123 divide 10 guys. So now 123 guys, then digit 1, then guys 123 divided by 10 guys, that time what we can see 12, yes or no, that is 2, okay, then 12 by 10, then guys this is third element, yes or no, then guys here 1, yes or no, then guys 0, okay, then it is 4 guys. So what understood? So guys with this logic we can count the number. If it is 1 odd number, 2 is even number, 3 is odd number, 4 is even number, so corresponding guys we can check, yes or no. So guys that logic we will write in our what IDE. So guys please be concentrated. This approach we can what implement guys. Guys I will create one class, okay, I will create one class, okay. Okay, that class name might be, what was the problem guys, you can see here, find numbers with even digit, right? So you can write find even digit, right? Find even digit, okay, this is our guy class name, correct? This is our guy class name, correct? Yes guys, see, so we have one class along with our main method, correct? Yes. So guys this in main method guy, first you will have input array guy, so you can put boolean variable, how we are going to declare array guy equal to, we can give guy this input, what we are input guy 12 345, right? 12 comma 345 comma 2 comma 6 comma and the last digit guy 7896, right? 7896, because I will same problem I will solve guy, okay, that's why I'm giving this input guy, right? Yes. After guy what I can do, leave it guy as of now, no need. After last I will call this with our method guy. So guys see, I will take guy first one method which is find the number guy, right? So for that purpose unique variable I am taking a static, right? A static, right? A static guy, and I am taking the return type of this method int. The method name guy find number, okay, find number, and guy this method expect guy our input array, right? Int nums array, right? Okay, yes. So guys see, in this find number method guy, what we are going to implement the logic guy, just concentrate guy. I will call in this method guy one even method, okay, which will find the even number guy. So first I will take one count value guy, count equal to 0, okay, right guy. So guy I will take one for loop which will iterate our number guy, okay, which will iterate our number. Int num, okay, our guy nums, because this nums we sorry guy, because this nums we have the value, correct? Yes. I hope you know variable enhanced for loop, that this is the enhanced for loop, this is for each loop also you can see. Let's see, in this for loop guy I am going to call one method, that is even method guy, and we need to provide the implementation of that even number, okay. So how we are going to implement, just see it. Let's see, I am giving a condition, if guy our even, this is guy even our method, okay, and it expect guy one input, that is nums. Okay, yeah, num, or we can tell num only. Okay, so I will create this method again, don't worry. Okay, but what I can do, guys, so I can do count plus plus. Okay, count plus plus. Then guys, I will return what? Count. Okay, I hope this you understood. But guys, I will create this method again. So create method. Okay, where you can see the method is created here. Right? Yes. Come here, guys. So guys, in this what guys, num method. So in this event method, guys, what we can do, guys, just concentrate, guys. What we will do in this num method? Remove this all the things, guys. So guys, this is our what? Boolean. Okay, Boolean method. So guys, in this method, guys, I will implement a logic which will find the digit, right? Which will find the digit. So digit is what? How many count? Suppose digit is count is 2 or 3 or 4. Right? So guys, for that purpose, I will call one guy digit method, guy. You can see guy first here. Then I will explain the thing. So guys, number of digit. Number of digits equals to guy, this is a digit method. Okay, in this I will calculate. So how many number we have what? Even. How many number we have odd? Odd we can calculate, right? Only we can calculate how many numbers are what? Even number, right? So that's the guy I am going to get one digits method again. In this digits method, guy, what we require one our input, guy, that is guy num. Yes or no? Yes, guy. So also guy, this method will create, guy, will create this method or also to find our digit. So how this digit belongs to how many number? It is 2 or 3 or 1, guy. Okay, yes. So guys, see in this method what we can do, guy. So we can check, guy, if our digit, if number of digit greater than equal, if number of digit, guy, this if number of digits modular by 2 equal to 0, that's guy it is even number. If it is not equal to 0, then it's odd number, guy. So guy, we can return like that, right? Return what, guy? Number of digits, guy. So this number of digits, because we can get the response from this method, right? So I will write a logic here. What should logic for digit method I will write here. So first what I can do here, if digits method return what? Even. So what I can do here, number of digits modular by 2 what, guy? If number of digits modular by 2, yes or no? Modular by 2, then equal to, guy, 0, yes or no? If this number of digits modular by 2 equal to 0, guy, yes or no, guy? Return number of digits what, guy? Modular by 2 equal to 0. Yes, guy. Okay, 1 minute, give me 1 second. If guy this return value is 0, it is guy even number, otherwise it is odd number, don't worry, guy. So guy, this in this method we can write the logic first, right, guy? What should be logic for this method, guy? So let's see, first I am going to write int count equal to 0, because initially if our count is 0, guy, right? Your count is 0, right? Yes. What I'm writing guy, model, why I'm writing this one, right? Model by 2, right? So guy, so then I'm going to write the logic for digit method guy. So how are you going to find the digit guy? So this digit belongs to how many number? So guys see, then what I can do guy, first initially I'll assign the count is guy 0. Already I have shown this thing guy. This logic I'm going to write now. See, initially our count value is 0 guy. So I'm going to check while number equal to number greater than 0, yes or no. So guy I'm taking one while loop, right? While guy see, I'm going to write here because we have already number guy. So if in under while case guy, if number greater than 0 as per input, right? So number greater than 0, so guy what will happen guy, I will write what, first count plus plus, right? Count plus plus. But how guy count plus plus? We can check num equals to num by 10, yes or no. This is logic. With that logic we can write our find the digit guy, then guy we can return the count, right guy? I have understood, okay? This is the logic behind that implementation. So guys, I hope you understood. One more time I will explain, don't worry. Once I will execute up code guys. So guys, sys out, then guys we can call this method, right? What method guys? This method, right? And guys this method expect our one input, yes or no? That is guys nums, right guys? So our guys nums is this as per our what? This question, right? So guys now in front of you I will run the application, we'll see the result guy. Guy tell me what should be output guy? What you can see output here? 2, right? Yes. So guy we can see the expected output is coming or not as per our implementation, right guy? Run the application in front of you, we'll see the result. Guys see, output is 2 coming or not? Output is 2 coming or not? Guys see, if I am going to change here one more value guy, suppose I am giving here 1 2 3 4, this is also guy one even number, right? So guys now we can see the response is coming 3 or not. If it is coming 3, we are good guy, yes or no? Guy 3, right? So guys what we understood, so this logic is working as expected guy, right? So guys now our main motto is copy this code and paste in our what? Paste in your guy where? Editor of what? This place guy, right? Yes or no? Right guy, I have done. Okay, check one more time because I have added something. So first remove this thing guy. This thing also I need to remove because I have given 2 times, right? Okay, you can see. So this is closed. This is closed guy. I have taken this guy. One thing you need to understand. So in our editor in lead code we no need the static. I will explain this thing guy when I will test our oops concept guy. Don't worry. So this thing guy also we no need, right? Yes guy, you can see closing properly or not. This is closing guy, right? This is our main class. This is our one condition guy, right? This is closed only. This is our guy int close, this close result giving this, and then this guy. So guy what is this one? No need guy, right? Unnecessary game, right? Yes guy, now we can save this, right? Correct guy, save. Now guy we can run this. guys see. So what output guy? Guys please see carefully. What output guy coming? 2, yes or no? Output guy coming 2, yes or no? So guy same output here or not? And also guy you can see what accepted. What guy? Accepted. So guy what we understood? So what we have written the code? What we have written the code? It is working fine for our lead code as well. So guys see, if you writing such type of implementation, definitely guys boost of your knowledge guys, because guys such type of question mostly asked in the product based company guys. Okay, so Amazon or Facebook or Microsoft, Google. So guys this type of question asked guys. Or sometimes guys if you are going to, as of now guys you know one thing, so most of the company guys they are going to take first coding on interview on the online only. They will send some link. Okay, you need to solve the question, then they will proceed for further round guy, second or third round maybe. Okay, so guy you need to concentrate more guy on coding part. Whatever question they are generally asked, because this question also guy I got from my own colleague. They have given interview some in product company. So he has told me, Amit, I got such type of question in my interview. Then I have checked in the lead code. So this question was there guy. So I have what done the implementation in front of you. Then I have shown this thing. Great guy. So guys, that's it from the video. Guy, if you like the video guy, please like, share, subscribe guy. Okay. So I will bring such type of question guy in front of you, because for this question you will get also more benefit guy, because whenever if you are going to attend any interview or guy or your knowledge seek also. Okay guy, so that's it guy from this video. Thank you guy, bye bye, we'll meet in next video guy very soon.